Saturn. Try and see how many astronauts you can count.
Saturn's place in our solar system. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. Saturn's day. The days on planets could last a long time or a short time. The length of a day on Saturn is 10 hours and 34 minutes long. That is how long it takes for it to complete one rotation on its axis. That is less than 1/2 of an Earth day.
Saturn's year. A year on Saturn is 29 Earth years. That's how long it takes for it to complete one revolution around the Sun. God of Agriculture. Saturn was named after the god of agriculture.
Saturn's surface. Saturn does not have a solid surface, which is why there is no life on the planet, and Saturn is too far away from the Sun to have life. The only gases on Saturn are hydrogen, methane, helium, and ammonia. Saturn's moons. Saturn has 82 moons. Only 62 of these are named. The three biggest moons are Titan, Rhea, and Ichthys. The moon Titan is bigger than Mercury, and the smallest moon can be 10 meters long.
Saturn's rings. Saturn has 7 rings made of ice, dust, and rocks. They are very cool to look at and are torn comets and asteroids being broken apart entering Saturn's gravity. Saturn's tilt. Saturn's tilt is 26.73 degrees. This causes Saturn to have seasons like Earth, but Saturn only has one season.
Saturn's atmosphere. Saturn has an atmosphere made up of hydrogen, helium, methane, and ammonia. Hydrogen makes up nearly all of the atmosphere. Saturn's temperature. The temperature range is negative 280 degrees and negative 107 degrees Fahrenheit. This is because of Saturn's thick atmosphere. It causes the temperature to drop because of how compressed the atmosphere is. It doesn't really snow on Saturn.
Water on Saturn. Like Jupiter, Saturn has no surface, but it has an atmosphere that contains traces of water vapor. Also, Saturn's spectacular rings are mostly made of water ice. Life on Saturn. Saturn's environment is not habitable to life as we know it. The temperature is way too cold for us. The hottest that Saturn gets is still in the negatives, so it is way too cold. This is why no water is found on Saturn.
Thank you for watching. The amount of astronauts was 21.